Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Intercepts. Today in this video we will see the classification of amplifiers based on the magnitudes of input and output impedances of an amplifier relative to the impedances of source and load. Based on that relation, we classify amplifiers into four: voltage, current, transconductance and transresistance. This is the Thevenin equivalent form of voltage amplifier, and a Thevenin theorem states that any circuit containing many voltage sources and many resistances can be replaced by a single source and a single resistance. If the amplifier input resistance Ri is large compared with the source resistance Rs, then amplifier input voltage is approximately equal to source voltage, and if the external load resistance RL is large compared with the output resistance R0, then output voltage of amplifier is approximately equal to product of voltage gain and input voltage Vi. Such amplifier circuit provides a voltage output proportional to the voltage input, and the proportionality factor does not depend on the magnitudes of source and load resistances. This is the Norton's equivalent form of current amplifier, and Norton theorem states that any circuit containing many current sources and many resistances can be replaced by a single current source in parallel with a single resistance. Amplifier input resistance Ri tends to 0, then input current of amplifier Ii is approximately equals to the source current Is. If amplifier output resistance R0 tends to infinity, then load current IL will be equal to the product of Ai and Ii, that is current gain and input current of amplifier. Such amplifier provides a current output I0 proportional to the signal current Is, and the proportionality factor, which is Ai, current gain, is independent of Rs and RL, source and load resistances. This amplifier is called current amplifier. An ideal condition is 0 Ri and infinity R0, but for practical conditions we have Ri very less than Rs and RL very less than R0. The concept of transconductance amplifier is the transfer of conductance from input to the output, and it is the ability of a circuit to allow the maximum flow of charge or the conduction of current from input to the output. It is represented with a letter called G, and it is the division of I to V. A little change in the voltage at the input will cause a linear change in the output current. Here the circuit is analyzed with Thevenin at the input circuit and Norton at the output circuit. The conditions for transconductance amplifier is that the input resistance should be greater than Rs. When this happens, input voltage will be approximately equals to the source voltage, and output resistance should be greater than RL. Then the output current will be proportional to the source voltage, and the proportionality factor, which is the Gm here, will not be depend or say independent of RL and Rs. Then I0 will be equal to the product of Gm into Vs. The ideal condition is Ri is equals to infinity and R0 is equals to infinity. The concept of transresistance amplifier is the transfer of resistance from the input to the output, and it tells the ability of a circuit to obstruct or to resist the current from the input to the output. It is represented with the letter R, and it is the division of V to I. A little change in the input current will cause a linear change in the output voltage. And here the circuit is analyzed with the Norton equivalent at the input and Thevenin equivalent at the output. The conditions for an amplifier to become trans-resistance amplifier are Ri should be less than Rs, then II will be approximately equals to source current, and output resistance should be less than RL, then output voltage will be proportional to the input current, and the proportionality factor, which is Rm here, will be independent of source and load resistances, and V0 will be equal to the product of Rm and II. The ideal conditions are input and output resistances should be equal to 0. I hope you learned some basic concepts. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you and bye-bye.